Now let's look at how to publish the uploaded documents into your QuickBooks Online file or your accounting software from the appropriate text account. So this is the documents that I uploaded in my previous video. I have one invoice, which I uploaded from the drag and drop method, and I have a receipt, which was forwarded into Dex via email. So first thing I would do when you go into a document, you would see on the right-hand side pane all the information which Dex has extracted. Dex has extracted the date, the supply name, which is also linked with the QuickBooks Online supply name as well. And if you expand the supply dropdown, you would see all your supply names coming in from QuickBooks Online or your accounting integration here as well. Now, I am going to select the appropriate category which I need this doc invoice to be categorized into. I'm going to select a specific category. If you want to set up supply rules, you can do that here as well, but I'm not going to discuss that in this video. You can choose any other field that is required. If you want to select a specific project, you have that coming through the customer field or product or service. You can leave a description if you want to. You would also notice text is suggesting descriptions based on specific invoices as well. Now I would review my amounts, the tax details, and I would determine how I want this to be posted into QuickBooks Online. I have several options here as well. Now, if I look into Publish To field, I can post this as a bill, which is I'm posting this into QuickBooks Online now as an unpaid invoice or into accounts payable if I choose bill here. And if I hit publish, this will get posted into QuickBooks Online. But let's say this is a paid receipt that has come in. So again, I would go to the same steps, review the information in here. I would select the appropriate category. Then I would check the amounts against my receipt. Now you would notice that because this is already a paid receipt, Dex has extracted the card details which it was paid from. So now you see it's been 31010. Sorry, it was paid from. This is the card number. So now Dex has selected that. Now I can post this as already a paid receipt into my QuickBooks Online file. Before I do that, I want to link this payment method or this card Dex has extracted into the specific bank account I have in, or the credit card account I have in QuickBooks Online. So I'm going to choose my specific credit card account that I have in QuickBooks Online and click link. So now this credit card is linked to the destination credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Similar way, you can add and link your other bank accounts you have in QuickBooks Online as well. If you notice here, I have several bank accounts now in here. Let's say I want to add this checking account. You can even add this checking account to use with a different invoices here as well. So I'm going to click this add, and now you would see I have two payment methods now. I'm switching back to my previous one. And I'm going to post this as an already paid receipt, but this time I'm choosing an expense option, which is credit card. If it's a different invoice, which is already paid, you want to push into a bank account as already paid, then you have cash check options. So cash check credit card, these are all paid options where you're posting as a paid expense, tagging the bank account or the credit card account is already paid from. If it's an invoice like earlier, you could choose bill where you're pushing the documents into accounts payable as unpaid. Now, once I'm ready, I can click publish here. This will push the documents into my QuickBooks Online file.